afternoon and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. In a proactive step towards ensuring long-term water security in the cold desert region, the LG of UT of Ladakh, Vinay Kumar Saxena, today launched Project Himsarovar. The project aims at scientific snow harvesting and the creation of water bodies to address the pressing challenge of the water scarcity in the Ladakh. The initiative focuses on harvesting snow and conserving snow melt to strengthen body security across Ladakh, where water availability remains a critical concern due to unique climate and geographical conditions. Saxena also launched the project with the beginning of excavation works for the creation of 50 water bodies simultaneously in Leh and Kargil. These water bodies, measuring 40 to 30 meters and 2 meters deep, are designed to store the snow melt or glacial melt that otherwise goes to waste every year. This will provide the people of Ladakh a reliable source of water for irrigation. ADC Leh Mukul Beniwal convened a preparatory meeting at the mini conference hall DC office Leh to review arrangements for the smooth conduct of NDA and NA examination first 2026 and the combined Defence Services Examination 2026, scheduled to be held on the April 12, 2026. It was informed that a total of 151 candidates will appear for the examinations, including 92 candidates for the CDS and 59 candidates for the NDA. The examination will also be conducted at two designated centres, namely EGM College Leh and Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. ADC Leh underlined the crucial role of the stakeholders and directed that the local inspection officers must remain present at their respective centres throughout the examination process to ensure smooth and fair conduct. The outreach program under the banner Jung Slabs was successfully conducted at Tia and Thamisgam villages in subdivision Khalse. The program was held in the presence of Naib Tahsildar Thamisgam, Mohammad Iqbal and BMO Khalse, Dr. Shamim Ahmed, along with the officials from various line departments. Participating departments included Revenue, Animal and Sheep Husbandry, Health, Agriculture, Horticulture, PWD and JNK Bank. During the program, the Naib Tahsildar briefed the public about the objectives of the initiative and interacted with residents, taking note of their feedback and grievances. On the occasion, several on-the-spot services were provided by the participating departments. These included issuance of the Ladakh resident certificates, assistance related to the electoral process, provision of the revenue extracts and screening for non-communicable diseases and tuberculosis, along with the generation of ABHA and PMJAY cards for the beneficiaries. The IGNOU Learner Support Center 1203 Elzevir Jolden Memorial College Leh is proud to announce that Dr. Yangchang Dolma, coordinator of the center, has been conferred with the Best Coordinator Award by the IGNOU Regional Center, Srinagar. This prestigious recognition has been awarded in appreciation for her exemplary leadership, dedication and outstanding contribution toward strengthening learner support services and promoting quality education during the year 2025. The award was presented on the occasion of the 39th convocation of IGNOU held at Regional Center Srinagar on 7th April 2026. Dr. Yangchang Dolma's commitment and tireless efforts have significantly enhanced the functioning of LSC 1203, particularly in ensuring accessibility, inclusivity and academic excellence in the remote region of the Ladakh. Her achievement stands as a proud movement for the entire IGNOU fraternity in Ladakh and serves as an inspiration for educators and coordinators across the region. The PGP district unit in Leh issued a condolences message following the sudden demise of the Colonel Sonam Wangchuk. In a statement released from its district office, the party said it was deeply saddened by the loss and described the late officer as someone who had devoted his life to the service of the nation and society. It is difficult to come to terms with the loss of the someone who dedicated his life so selflessly to the nation and to the people around him, and his absence will be deeply felt with His values and legacy will continue to live on. The condolences note was issued by the Rigzin Chubi district president of BJP Leh, and he extended condolences to the bereaved family and said it hoped they would find strength in his life and the affection he shared with others. The message also included a prayer for the departed soul. The Khelo Ladakh Inter-Department Cricket Tournament concluded with great enthusiasm and sportsmanship at Leh Campus, University of Ladakh. The two-day event witnessed high participation with a total of 15 teams competing, including 8 boys teams and 7 girls teams from different departments. The tournament was organized by Yuva Bharat Ladakh in collaboration with the Department of Physical Education and Sports. The program commenced with a warm welcome address by the Dawa Wangmo co-convener, who greeted all dignitaries, participants and attendees. Nuang Tundup, who appreciated the efforts of the Yuva Bharat Ladakh and encouraged them to organize more such events in the future. The guest of honor, Dr. Tenzing Mentok, highlighted the importance of the sports in holistic development. So friends, we will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you so much and good afternoon.